Slide the stranded and braided soft tissue graft onto the tensioner. Then tension the end of the soft tissue graft. Ensure that each strand of the soft tissue graft is free from twisting or crossing within the bone tunnel. Insert the bone guide pin, then use a trial of appropriate size to split and compress the soft tissue graft, while maintaining tension on the soft tissue graft. Insert the outer sheath of the interface screw into the bone tunnel along the guide wire using an impactor until the outer sheath is recessed relative to the cortical bone. Remove the impactor while continuing to maintain tension on the soft tissue graft. Place the interface screw on the matching orthopedic screwdriver. Then screw the appropriately sized interface screw clockwise into the outer sheath of the interface screw along the bone guide pin until it is recessed relative to the cortical bone. Once fixation is completed, remove the instruments.